Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use guys sunlight mode on Poco phone. Friends, you want to use guys sunlight mode on your Poco phone. So friends, how to on and use sunlight mode on Poco phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first open your phone setting to on guys Poco phone sunlight mode. So friends, first we will on Poco phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it friends, click on your Poco phone display setting. Display setting we will tap here. After on display setting friends, you can see dark mode setting, dark schedule dark mode friends. You want to schedule, so as you can schedule your dark mode from here guys. Start time and off time you can set from here. Friends, you can see your brightness level setting and reading mode setting. So guys, click on your brightness level. After click on the brightness level, friends, you can see guys your brightness level guys. And once you want to increase your brightness level, you can increase right side. You want to decrease, you can decrease left side guys. Friends, you can see automatic brightness. So when you will on automatic brightness, so guys your brightness will decrease automatic. And friends, you can see sunlight option will remove on your screen. So friends, you can see you don't have sunlight option here. So what will you have to do? First guys, off your automatic brightness, and guys now you can use your sunlight mode. Friends, you can see adjust brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going to dark. So friends, now you can use your sunlight mode on your Poco phone. And guys, you want to off, you don't want to use sunlight mode, so you can off from your search bar. Search here guys sunlight settings, sunlight mode guys, tap here direct. Friends, you can on your sunlight mode, you don't want to use, you can off from here. You want to use, you can on from here your sunlight mode. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use sunlight mode on Poco phone and how to off it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video.